Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making eggplant lasagna. The ingredients I'll be using is tomato sauce, 2 cups ricotta, 2 cups mozzarella, 1 cup grated parmesan, 6 basil leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon dried oregano. I've brushed olive oil and seasoned with salt and pepper on each side. Cook in the oven for 7 minutes on each side at 400 degrees. While the eggplant is cooking, I've mixed the ricotta, Parmesan cheese, and oregano. I've layered the eggplant lasagna starting with tomato sauce, 4 eggplant slices, ricotta, mozzarella, and repeating the next layer. Top with parmesan and olives. I've cooked at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. The last 2 minutes cooked on broil to get the golden crispy brown look. This is a healthy diet, meatless. So if you want to go ahead and try it, this was my first time and it tastes really good. This is the final results after it's been cooked. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please comment below on how it turned out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe. And Happy New Year.